we're going to be drawing some Pytorch. We're going to be drawing some beautiful Pytorch color images today. That's the plan for today. We're going to be drawing some, have the AI draw in color. And Real Green Blob already figured it out. Yeah, we're just taking the color value, and originally we had it right as one color, so grayscale. And then we're going to add 3 channels, right? That's what we're going to do. Red, green, blue. There you go. That's the idea. That was great. You already solved what we're going to do like that stream. That makes me really happy. That's great to see. All right, let me see here. All right, so I want to make sure everything looks in the right spot. I want to make sure all my windows are in the right spot here. All right, let's see here. Testing this. Okay, looking good. So that's the image that we want to do. Okay, so before we get started, let's open up. Let's do Python color. Let's see where we're at. All right, so check this out. Here we go. So here is where we left off last week. All right, so check this out. So here's the AI learning. Isn't that neat? Isn't it look so nifty? I think it looks really nifty. I think this looks really neat. So see, the AI is trying to draw. You can add extra linear layers to double the hidden parameters to get it nicer. Yep, that's it. That's what we're gonna do. All right, TP Inc, let's do it. Let's do it. We'll double it up. Are you guys ready? We'll double it. Here we go. Boom, doubled. Oh wait, almost. Here we go. Extra. There we go. So we added more parameters by adding more layers, and then boom, there we go. All right, so here we go. How did you do this? Do you make it from scratch? Yeah, we did. Respublic, we did. We made it from scratch. Is this reverse image generation based? Yeah, it is. It's reverse image generation. You can absolutely think of it like that. So we're going to try to see if we can get it to look in color today too. We're going to make it in color. So that was the plan. All right, let's go through top to bottom. So we're using Pytorch. We don't need math anymore. We're using NumPy to help us with some of the graphics to parse out some of the data. Matplotlib to make it so you can see the chart, so you can see what it looks like. It's going to draw the pixels. TorchVision to load the image directly and then manipulate the reading of the pixels to get it in the right format. And then our data loader, which is going to be used for batching the data. We don't need that anymore. I don't need this. I'm going to clean that out. Okay, and then this is just to get the current accelerator on my machine, which is MPS, because I'm running on a Mac, you guys. I'm running on a Mac. Here we go, running on a Mac. And then we load the image. We load the image we don't need, I'm pretty sure we don't need to say CPU here. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. That I can get rid of that. Yes, we can. We can get rid of it. Okay. And then I'm going to close that now. Let's close that up. All right. It generates these subsections like pictures where the image is made of combinations of several parts. It is. It's really neat, isn't it? It's neat how it learns. This is loading our image. Then we're going to get the XY positions, right? So wait. So Y is going to be the output, which is going to be the pixels, the actual pixels. So I should highlight this. This will be pixels of the image. All right. So this is the pixels of the image. Right now it's grayscale, so it's one value. We need to change that. X is the XY coordinate. Yep, coordinates of the image. And then the rest of all this other stuff is just there to make sure that we can get. Here is where we get the color. So this is where the grayscale occurs. So we've got our input data, which is the pixel data. We got to convert it into instead of just one color, which is grayscale, we got to convert it to use all the channels of the image. So this is where we have to do some of the work. We have to do some of the work here. Before we jump back, here, let's go back to Atom W real quick. I want to see what Atom W looks like, and then we'll start doing color. We'll start doing the color. I'm going to draw this picture over here. It's a pretty challenging picture to draw. So this is my favorite. We're going to use Atom W going forward. So we ran through to check to see what all the different versions of the optimizers are available. AutoGrad did not do as good as I wanted it to do. It created a really good generalization, which is ideal for AI. In our case, we're just trying to draw a picture. So in this case, we're all good to go. We use Pytorch. So we use Pytorch here. TorchVision, which loads the image. And then we start training the AI. Here's our model. And then we capture the data from the image. And then we say, hey, try to draw this picture. The AI, it tries to draw it. It gets it wrong. It doesn't know what it tried to draw. And then we say, okay, you got it wrong here, 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 here. And we say all the points it got it wrong. And then we have it draw the image again. And then we say, oh, it's better, but you still got it wrong. And we do that in a loop for a long time, right? So we do that in a loop for a really long time. So let's watch it again. So here we go. I'll pull this up. So see how it gets it wrong? It gets a little bit righter every single time, every cycle. It gets it better and better every cycle. All right, we're good to go here. All right, so let's see here. So let's see if we can get this to learn how to do color. So we know this is the red value, right? So we can convert this into red, green, blue. All right, let's do it. All right, so this will be red. Here we go. SD, green, and blue. There we go. All right, well, I got to spell blue correctly. B-L-U-E. There we go. All right. There we go. So now we got red, green, blue. Now we're going to train the AI to do color. All right. So we got red. Okay. I think what we could do is we could just do it like this. Red, green, blue. All right. I think we're good there. I think that might be it. So we got a red, green, blue. We're at red, green, blue here. Now I think we got to do one other thing. I think we have to go down here and update this. I've not done this before, so I don't know. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't know if it'll work or not. So let's see if this works. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready? Are you going to see in color? We're going to see if we can get in color. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Oh, we got a problem. So we need to modify another thing. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, you guys see it, right? Bop, 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 bop. Boom. Done. All right. There we go. That should do the trick. Now we should see color. Now we should see color. Oh, nope. Just kidding. Okay, it had an issue. Oh, right. Okay. Okay, so our shape, we need to reshape it. So we've got our reshape. Here we go. Okay, so how do we do this? I think maybe it's 3. Maybe we do it like that. Is it like that? Is that going to be better? Is it going to be better if we do that? No, it doesn't like that. So what if we did like this? 3. Like that. Is it going to be better now? Is it going to be better now? Yep, yes, it is, but it's blank. It's blank. Let's see what's wrong with it. What's wrong with it, guys? What is wrong? Do we need to do some sort of clipping or something? What is this? Let me see here. Oh, maybe we. Oh no, we already have tanh here, so we should be fine. We should be fine. The output layer is already tanh. We should be fine. Let's close that and see if that does anything. All right, we got to figure this out. We got to figure it out. All right, so clipping input data. 1 second. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. Look at that. It's pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's very colorful. It's very colorful. Okay. I think I know what to do here. It's cool. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see it. Look at the AI. It's trying to learn color. It's trying to learn color. An oil spill. You're right. It looks like an oil spill, Torva. It's pretty neat. tanh give you negatives. You need 0 to 255. Ah, yes. Okay. So we're doing so. Okay. So good point. Okay. So let me see here. Let's see here. So yeah, I took out tanh. I took it out. And that's also because of our color arrangement here. Okay, here. Oh, I know what we got to do. We forgot to do a thing. All right, divide by 255. Let's do that. Let's add this in. Here, this is what we needed to do. All right, we're figuring it out, you guys. We know what's going on. We know what's going on. I'm pretty sure that's what we got to do right there. And we should be good to go. We also should be able to add tanh back. We should be able to add tanh back, and we should be good. I think so. You guys ready? Oh, here we go. It's not color though. It's not color. It's definitely different. At least it's back to normal. I think it's pretty neat. 10 inches giving you negative values, right? So we'll see. Maybe what we could do is we need to invert it. We might need to invert it. I think we have to invert it. So let's see if we can invert it. If we still get any errors on the clipping. Yep, we still get errors on the clipping. Looks fine though. No big deal. It is like a black hole. It looks like a black hole. It's very much like a black hole. It's the Pytorch logo, you guys. It's the Pytorch logo. Clamp output to 0 and 1, and then multiply by 255. Okay, minus. All right, and then we'll do the clamping. And multiply by 255. We'll do the clamping and multiply by 255. I want to try this really quick to see. Okay, so that inverted it. Okay, so that did it the opposite direction. Neat. Okay, let's do what TB Inc. recommended. I'm going to undo that really quick. Actually, no, let's keep that there. We'll keep it there. All right, so we'll go back over here. That's good. I'm talking about the output. Yep. All right, so here is the output. So right here, we need to, right here. So here's the output data right here, right? We need to take the output data and clamp it. So out.clamp to 1.0 and multiply by 255. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Is it going to be color? Learning the inputs and outputs for the AI. We're trying to understand. So it is still clipping. It's still clipping here, which is interesting. I thought we clamped it though. Out equals clip. Oh, thank you. Okay. See, that's one of the things. I'm always thinking that it mutates itself. Out equals. Maybe we don't need to multiply it by 255. We might not need to multiply it by 255. I think it went just a smidgen too high. Just a smidgen too high. We'll be doing some AI. We're doing some AI. We're getting the AI to draw some pretty colorful images. All right. I think we don't multiply the output. I think we do it like this. Let's see if we can update that. Is that pretty? Is it going to be better now? No clipping errors. We got no clipping errors. Excellent. Although the color is not there now. The color's not there. Oh no. Oh no, you guys. Oh no. Okay, so we need to figure it out. We need to figure out how to get this into color. We're so close. So we train the AI on red, green, blue output. It's got it. It's almost there. So what is missing? What is missing? This is the last thing we got to do today. This is like the one task. We got to turn this into color. We got to turn this into color, you guys. That's the task we got. You don't need to multiply. You're right. Okay. The input, can you go to red, green, blue? TB, because I remember we didn't update it. We didn't update it. You're totally right. Hey, you're right. TB Inc. Thank you. All right. Boom, boom. All right. There we go. One more. Okay, perfect. Now we got it. Now we got it. Now it's actually going to be in color. TB Inc. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's see if do you think it's going to work for real this time? Going to work this time? Here we're going to We're going to find out. We're going to see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It is working. It is working. It's in color now, but it's the wrong color. Which is just turning it. It's the wrong color this time. It's got to be orange, but it's like the opposite color. It's the opposite, but it's in color. Look, we trained it on a draw color. We did it, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that great? I think it's fantastic. Use blue, green, red. Okay, so we can switch it around. We can switch it around. You're totally right. You're totally right. We can switch it around. Let's do it. We'll flip it around. We got to flip the colors. I want to make sure that it's reproducing the image as much as possible. It is neat. It's neat that it's like a cyan color, right? It's got like it's the opposite of what we were thinking. Is the opposite. Now it's the right color. Isn't that cool? That is very nifty. I think that is super nifty. Actually, it makes a lot of sense. It's correct. It did it correct. It's because the image is transparent. The background color is the opposite. We could change it to have a light colored background. We could. The anti-aliasing. Wait, hold on. Now teach it anti-aliasing. It's doing pretty good. We could. You mean like the DLSS on NVIDIA? Quantified quantum, like the DLSS? Is that it's like upscaling? We could teach it upscaling. We absolutely could teach it upscaling. This is neat. Look at that. All right, we got the right color, the right everything. It's good to go. We did it. We did it. TP Inc. We did it. We're getting it now. We did. You're right. Oh, you don't have to alpha channel. You got it. The alpha channel will make it so the background, we can add it. Should we teach it transparency as well? Should we also teach it transparency? Beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. We did it in color, you guys. Let's teach it transparency. Although we could. I'm actually kind of curious. Could we teach it transparency? We could. We absolutely could. There's nothing that's holding us back. Exciting. We're doing some amazing things. I'm actually really looking forward to this. All right. Because there's just so many cool things you can do, especially with artificial intelligence. All right. So let's teach the AI. Let's teach the AI to draw transparency. So we get the fourth channel, all four channels, red, green, blue, and alpha. All the channels, you guys. I'm so excited. And we need to resize this image. How do we do that? So let's see. I want to resize this image real quick. So let's do cp python.png to our Pytorch desktop tutorial. Python tutorial. Here we go. Perfect. Paste it in there. There we go. cd / excellent. There it is. mv python to python.png because I want an error. Oh, I know why. Because we've got an extra channel. So bop that up there. All right, got an extra channel there. Okay, got another problem. All right. Oh, there it is. Okay. What we need to do is because we keep running into this problem, we need to see number of channels. All right. See here, channels. How do we? Oh, I know. Okay. So how do we? So it's in this. It's in here. It's in Y. So channels. We'll do this. So we make it easy. So we say Y0 1. Y0, I think we say len, like that. So that'll be channels, right? Channels, perfect. Here we go. Paste, channels equals. Perfect. There we go. So now we won't make mistakes. What does clipping mean? It will take the range of the output and maximize it. So between 0 and 1, because our model might go above, it might go higher. So we can bring back tanh there, I think, and it won't. So it's just preventing it from going too high or too low, because the AI can do that. It can. We're going to build an AI that can draw some color. We're really going to do it. All right. So there's one other thing here. So we got channels. Where's our output? Where's our output? I know we had 3 somewhere else in here. Here it is, right here. We're reshaping it. So channels. There we go. Oh, we got to type it properly, you guys. We got to type it properly. CHAN. There we go. Channels. Now we're good. Now we're good. Let me so we can see that on the screen. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. We don't need to clip anymore. We don't need to clip it between 0 and 1 because we've got our tanh activation here. Should be good. All right. Are we ready to go? Do you think we're ready to go? Is this it? Did we do it? Is it going to work? I'm actually really excited about this. I'm really excited. I think it's going to work. I think we're going to have alpha. Although I don't know if we're going to be able to tell. Look, we're training AI right now. We're training the AI to draw pictures. We're training the AI to draw pretty pictures. Isn't it neat? Isn't that very satisfying? All right, so we do got to bring back the clip, but it's okay. Also, the alpha channel. You notice how the background is brightly colored now instead of darkly colored? It's because the alpha channel is now being recognized. It's neat. We trained the AI on 4 channel output: red, green, blue, and alpha. And it's the Python logo. Here we go. Here's the AI. It's learning again. It's got even more parameters this time, you guys. Even more parameters. Hey, Jay Horton. Hey, Jay Horton. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome in. Happy Monday. We're training an AI to draw an image using red, green, blue, and alpha. All 4 color channels with the alpha with the background. Isn't it neat? I think it's neat. Hey, we gave it a higher resolution, you guys. We gave it higher resolution. So it's doing even better this time. Source repos. Oh, like GitHub. Yeah, guess in the Discord. Just join the Discord. Best course for learning AI ML for beginners. Okay, I've got you. The best course is it finally draws now. Yeah, it does. Look, it drew. Isn't it neat? It draws. It draws really well. It draws really well, like phenomenally well. Here, we'll have it do it again. We'll have it do it so you guys can see. We'll have it start up again so you can see. Here we go. See, there it is. There it is right here. Isn't that neat? So it starts off at a blob, but then it finds all the small details. It finds all the small details. Isn't that neat? That's AI, you guys. We did it. We did it. We succeeded. Maybe we can do more AI image stuff. We could do some more AI image stuff tomorrow. So here's our code. You can see our code on the screen. We can get rid of some of this. We don't need this here. Let me hide all that stuff. There we go. So here is all. This is it. This is the full code right here. It's the full code. Let's get rid of that. All right. Clean that up. All right. So we did it. We did it, you guys. We did it. This is it. It's not a lot of code. It's only 115 lines of code, you guys. It's kind of working. Isn't that neat? All right. So now that kind of looks like a human person, right? A human person from Earth. Does this look like a human person from Earth, you guys? It's a human. It's not an alien. It's not at all an alien. Nope, not an alien here, you guys. Not an alien. A human person from completed rendition of a human face. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat, you guys? And the AI learning how to draw pictures. We did it live on stream, you guys. Human, not an alien. Nope, not an alien. It's a human. That's great, Steven. Thank you, Kofi. Thank you. Appreciate it. Any other resources aside from Dr. Angela Yu? Is it structured accordingly? There are a few others on our Discord, so there's a few more resources there. Those are the best ones to get started with by far. And we train it. We say, here's what the color should be at these coordinates. That's what the color should be at those coordinates. All right, we can do a turtle. We'll do a turtle real quick. Someone was asking for a turtle. We'll do a turtle. We'll do a turtle. Guess how's back? Hey, Eddie Legendary, welcome back. Guess who's back now? We got Eddie Legendary. We just drew a picture of me. Look at that. Human person, not an alien. Not an alien, you guys. Not an alien. And maybe could you the Blender logo? Oh, the Blender logo. Yeah, actually, that's also a good one. So let's do Blender. Let's do Blender logo PNG. Here we go. This looks like it's working. Is it? Oh, wait, no, it might be too big. Oh, I think it's too big. It's too big. It's too big, you guys. Hold on. How big is that? Open Blender. All right. Oh, it is a beefy, high-resolution image there. All right, we gotta fix that. All right, so if it's, we need to make it a lot smaller. Okay, so let's do. we'll turn it to 1. Okay. We got to downscale that, guys. We got to downscale it. It's a little bit too big for the AI to handle it. It's a little bit too big for my little computer. My little computer can't handle it. Oh wait, hold on. Are you using any Gen AI wrapper? No, we're all from scratch, you guys. All from scratch. So if he wants to make images other than the source, would he need more images? Yes, more images for training, John Crafts. You're right. More images for training. And the input data would also want to capture what the images that we want to draw, right? Want to capture what we want to draw and then what position of the pixel it is that we want to draw. That's a big boy. It's a big boy. You're right. I know. Like, my little computer can't handle that. Are you still trying to make the AI draw the Pytorch logo? Hey, 2Borg, we did it. We've succeeded. We got the AI to draw even my face. Here we go. Pytorch logo. All right, that should work perfectly fine. Now we're good. Now we're good. Oh, here we go. Here we go, you guys. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat? The Blender logo. If you're familiar with Blender, the 3D editing studio, it learned the Blender logo very well. Look at that. It learned it very well. I still want to draw the turtle. I think it would be neat to draw the turtle. We're having the AI draw images. Look at, I did a really good job. Isn't that neat? Isn't that nifty? It drew a beautiful Blender image. It's beautiful Blender. You should send image file at name as a path and script instead of having to change it. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So let's see here. Let's see, OS, import OS, or is it sys? It's sys, right? Okay, so import sys, and then where's our image at? Okay. What do we want to call it? So this will be, we'll call it Jeremy equals sys.arg 0. No, arg 0. Maybe it's arg 1. There we go. Arg 1. There we go. Python image, or no, color, and then we'll call it what was it? Blender-small. Is it going to load the Blender image? Is it? All right, it did. There you go, Jeremy. We did it.